Buy it! Number 3 is LOTMAXX Shark V3 3D printer. If you're into drones and want to take your creativity to new heights, let me introduce you to the ultimate companion for drone building adventures, the LOTMAXX Shark V3 3D printer. This cutting-edge marvel is a game-changer that will revolutionize how you bring your drone designs to life. Prepare to be amazed as the Shark V3 takes 3D printing to a new level. With its intelligent G-sensor auto-leveling, this printer ensures that every layer is as precise as can be, guaranteeing mind-blowingly accurate results. Picture your drone's frame adorned with intricate carvings on bamboo, ceramic tiles, wood, leather, or even craft paper. Let your imagination run wild. But that's not all. The Shark V3 is a faithful nocturnal companion with its night mode, illuminating dark rooms with LEDs on its print head. The ultra-fast cooling feature keeps things cool under pressure, enabling you to switch filaments effortlessly and achieve breathtaking dual-color effects. And the best part? This printer is designed for hassle-free assembly. In just 10 minutes, you'll be ready to embark on your drone printing journey with an immense build volume that grants you the freedom to unleash your boundless creativity. So if you want to purchase the 3D printer, check out the link in the description box below.